Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the beauty world with honesty, expertise, and a little bit of flair. Today, we're exploring a product that's been making waves in the makeup aisle, the Rimmel London Lasting Mega Matte Liquid Lipstick in 210 Rose and Shine. This is a liquid lipstick that promises a long-lasting, intensely matte finish while still keeping your lips hydrated, all in a cruelty-free vegan formula. At first glance, the product packaging is sleek and compact, holding 0.25 ounces of product. The liquid formula features lip-loving ingredients like squalene and coconut oil, designed to keep lips moisturized while delivering full coverage color. The drip tip applicator is intended to provide precise application, making it easier to get those clean edges and an even finish without the typical streaks or clumping that matte lipsticks can sometimes cause. Putting it to the test, I incorporated this into my usual makeup routine over several days. The application was smooth and surprisingly lightweight. The liquid glides over the lips without tugging, which is something I always look for in a matte formula. The pigmentation is intense right from the first swipe, giving a bold, vibrant look. What really impressed me was how it balanced matte coverage with hydration. Thanks to the coconut oil and squalene, my lips didn't feel dry or cracked throughout the day. I wore it during my morning errands, afternoon coffee runs, and even into the evening, and it maintained its color remarkably well, only requiring minimal touch-ups after eating. As for pros, the color payoff is excellent. The formula genuinely feels hydrating for a matte lipstick, and the applicator makes precision effortless. The shade Rose and Shine is versatile, wearable for both day and night looks, and the vegan, cruelty-free formulation aligns with modern beauty standards. On the flip side, while it's long-wearing, extremely oily foods can still cause minor fading, so a quick touch-up may be necessary after meals. Additionally, as with any highly pigmented matte liquid, there's a learning curve if you're used to softer lip textures. In terms of value, this lipstick is fairly priced for what it delivers. Rimmel London has a history of producing quality drugstore cosmetics, and this product reflects that standard with its combination of comfort, longevity, and color intensity. Compared to other matte liquid lipsticks in the same price range, the hydration factor sets this one apart. Many matte formulas can be drying, but this one genuinely feels nourishing. The packaging is functional and sturdy, with no leakage issues, and the applicator design adds convenience for a flawless finish. Since I haven't had direct interaction with customer service for this product, I can't speak from personal experience, but Rimmel generally maintains a reliable reputation in the industry. If you're looking for alternatives, other affordable matte liquid lipsticks like Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink or NYX Liquid Suede offer similar long-wearing results, but they may not provide the same level of hydration as the Rimmel Lasting Mega Matte. For those seeking mega matte intensity with comfort, Rimmel strikes a solid balance. Overall, the Rimmel London Lasting Mega Matte Liquid Lipstick in 210 Rose and Shine impresses with its bold pigmentation, smooth application, and hydrating formula. It's particularly suited for anyone who loves a long-lasting matte look without compromising lip comfort. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. The link to purchase this product can be found in the comments or description box below. If you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.